Okay, candidates, what do you think about children wearing push-up bras?
I didn't know boys wore bras.
They did. Sorry, I meant girls.
I think it is not the company's fault. They just make them for smaller busted women. The girls choose to wear them. Those girls are idiots. Just let them go.
In my time, we didn't have push-up bras.
Mate, no one cares.
Alright people, time to go.
Already?
Yeah, sorry, I need to do a piss.